one of the best affiliate marketing platforms, and who hasn't heard of Amazon Associates or the Amazon Affiliate Marketing Platform? According to many sources, the monthly earnings for marketers on the Amazon Associates program can reach up to $55,000. In some other sources, the figure can reach up to $25,000, especially considering that in the year 2020, more than 12 million products were sold on this platform. I'm not talking about the number of sales, but rather the number of products sold on this platform. The notable aspect we will focus on in this explanation is that over 1 million products were sold in the home improvement category in that year. So how can I make over $70 a day from affiliate marketing on Amazon? Without having a product, without a website, and without creating content. And all of this will be with free traffic without spending a single dollar. Your only investment will be just half an hour daily to apply the explanation. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and activate the bell icon for the all setting to receive notifications for all upcoming tutorials. If you want to know more details about this strategy, let's start the explanation directly. May the peace, blessings, and mercy of God be upon you. I'm Murad with a new tutorial from the Outside the Box Idea channel. As mentioned, my friends, one of the easiest ways to make money from affiliate marketing is promoting Amazon products. In order for us to benefit from these products, we must have an Amazon Associates account. Let's start with the first step in this explanation. They create an Amazon Associate account. To do this, we will enter the program.amazon.com website. Of course, all links will be left for you in the description box. After entering this page, we will click on Sign Up. Then we click on Create a new Amazon account. Now we will enter the full name, email, create a password, and then reconfirm it. After entering this information, we will click on Create your Amazon account. Now we have to solve this CAPTCHA, so I'm going to put a dot at the end of the car path. Now Amazon Associates is asking me to enter the code that I received in the email. So I'll go back to my Gmail account, and there I get the message, open it and copy this code, copy and paste here again, and then click Verify. In this step, we have to enter the phone number. If we choose our country code, I will choose my country code. Then we enter the phone number. After that, we click on Add Mobile Number. Amazon sends a second code to the phone number. We enter the code that we received on the phone, then we click on Create a new Amazon account. Here we have to enter some data to complete the registration process. The first thing is the name of the payee. So who is the person who will receive the transfers? We write our name, then we enter our full address, and in order for us to put the country correctly, we have to change the country from here. And now I can type in the state, then we enter the postal number, then we enter the phone number again if he chooses my country key, and then we enter the phone number again herein. The main contact for this account we will leave it as it is, and then click Next. Now the Amazon Associate website asks us to enter the link of our site. If you do not have a site, you can choose any random site from the Google search engine. The important thing is that this site does not have an account on the Amazon Associate platform. For example, I went to the Google search engine and wrote what are free websites. Then I went to the 9th page as you can see, and I will choose a site from these results. Click on Add, scroll down and click Next. The Amazon Associates platform asks me if the site that you entered is directed to children whose age is less than 13 years. I will click on No, then click on Confirm. On this page, the Amazon Associate website asks us to choose a name for our store. For example, I wrote an idea outside the box. The next field we have to write a line or two in which we describe the content of the site that we have entered. For example, I wrote my website is dedicated to the web developers in the next step. The Amazon Associate is asked to choose a topic that describes our site. For example, I chose search. Then the platform asks us how we heard about it. I will choose online search. Now we will write these letters as they are. After that, we agree to the terms and click Finish until the Amazon Associate platform informs us, "Congratulations, you now have an Amazon Associate account." However, here, if we notice, Amazon Associate either requests us to enter our tax information or defer this step to a later time. In either case, we need to enter our tax information, so I will click on No. Here, we need to enter the password we created during registration, then click on Sign In. We have been directed to this page here in the important notice. The website informs us that before making a payment, we need to enter our tax information. Therefore, I will click here on the tax information. We enter our information. The process is very simple. Firstly, here we are naturally individuals and not companies, so we choose individual. Then, the website asks us if we are U.S. citizens or permanent residents in the U.S. I will click No, because I am currently in Dubai. The website then asks us if we are using the account as a middleman, or if we are receiving the earnings on behalf of someone else. I will click No. After that, the tax identity information window will appear. Here we need to enter the name. I have entered my full name here. In the citizenship country section, we select our country. I will choose my own country. Then we scroll down, and here, it asks us to enter the taxpayer identification number, TIN. If you don't have this number, simply delete this option, and then select the first option that states that the country I belong to does not provide this number. After that, click on Continue. We are now scrolling down, and here, related to income, we will choose all of our services to be outside of the United States. Now we are scrolling down the page, and here we are being instructed to acknowledge that we have the ability to sign on behalf of the person specified in line 1 of this form. We write our full name and finally click on Save and Preview. Here is the form that we filled out. We go down to the bottom and click on Submit the form. As we can see, the tax file has been accepted at a rate of 0%. No taxes will be deducted. Now click on the Exit Interview. We have an active account on the Amazon Associates platform, or the warning is still present because I did not enter payment method. And regarding the point, my friends, the Amazon Associates website deals directly with the Payoneer platform. If you would like me to provide an explanation of how to create a Payoneer account, please write it in the comments. If you want to add your Payoneer account as a payment method on the Amazon Associate platform, you will click on Payment Information. Here, in the Payment and Tax Information section, you will click on Change Payment Method. Then, you will select Bank Account and click on Add New Bank Account. You will enter the information for one of your U.S. bank accounts provided by the Payoneer website. As we can see here, I chose the bank location to be the United States. Now I can select one of these 4 accounts available in the United States and enter its information here. After that, I will click on Save Changes. In this way, you will have a 100% activated Amazon Associate account, and you can start earning profits on it directly. In this way, we have finished the first step in this explanation, so we will pass to the second step, which is creating and preparing a YouTube channel, which will be in the next video, God willing. Do not forget to subscribe to receive all new. You will get all the promotion methods used by professionals without a monopoly. Goodbye, until the next video.